killer deal. This has been here for like the past month already, or not the month, but a few weeks already. And I believe I haven't posted this. So this is for all the ones that wants to get this rear handle circular saw for a killer price. I think it's lower, even lower than last year. What the heck? Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. I subscribe and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright guys, if you are interested in getting a really low price rear handle saw with 2 batteries, this is it for you. You got the 18 volt X2 LXT 5 amp hour lithium, 36 volt brushless cordless rear handle 7¼ circ saw. This is a Black Friday deal. You guys go down here, it's $259. Drop down to from $359. You go with the free gift with purchase. You add the 2 batteries as a free gift. You add both to cart. It's just a killer deal. I don't know what their or Makita is thinking. They're just dropping the price like really low. It's just crazy low. So the price for the batteries is $121. Not a bad deal. I think that's a really good deal for these batteries, especially because they're really expensive. So if you need batteries, go ahead and get this deal. Check this out, $137. That's even lower than last year. It's just killer deal. This one's an awesome saw. My neighbor has this saw. He uses this professionally, and he loves this saw. So guys, I'll leave you guys the link down below on the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.